In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for borrow money on Revolut. Unlock loans. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the loan option, how to check if you're eligible, and what to look out for before you accept an offer. Make sure your Revolut app is updated and you're logged in on a secure connection, as features can depend on your country, your profile, and the latest app version. Start by opening the Revolut app. From the home screen, look for the section labeled Credit or Loans. Depending on your region and app layout, it might appear on the main screen or inside a menu. If you don't see it, loans may not be available for your account just yet, or you may need to complete additional verification first. Once you're in the credit or loans area, the app will prompt you to check your eligibility. This is where Revolut assesses whether it can offer you a loan, and if so, under what terms. You may be asked for basic financial information, and the app could perform a credit assessment in line with local regulations. If you're eligible, you'll typically see an indicative rate, a maximum amount, and a summary of what's available to you. Next, choose the loan amount and the term. Use the sliders or input fields to adjust how much you want to borrow and how long you want to repay it. As you change these, the app will update your estimated monthly repayment and your total cost. Shorter terms usually mean higher monthly payments but lower total interest, while longer terms can reduce the monthly amount but increase the overall cost. Take a moment to align the figures with your budget so the repayments stay manageable. Before you accept anything, review the offer carefully. Pay attention to the interest rate, the representative APR, any fees, the repayment schedule, and the policy for early or extra repayments. Check where the repayments will be taken from, and make sure the dates suit your cash flow to avoid missed payments. If everything looks right, confirm and authenticate using your usual passcode or biometrics. After acceptance, the money is typically credited to your Revolut balance quickly, sometimes almost instantly. You can then use it like any other balance in the app. You'll find your repayment plan and remaining balance in the same credit or loans section, where you can track due dates and, in many regions, make early repayments if you wish. If processing takes a little longer, keep an eye on the app notifications for updates. That's it. Open the app, head to credit or loans, check your eligibility, set your amount and term, review the details, and accept to receive the funds. Borrow responsibly and only take what you can comfortably repay.